Never thought you would say. She was licking water and then licking Aiden to give him water. Get it, Aiden, love it?
What happened? Are you okay? Are you okay?
From how far do you think Tiger can swim at once?
I don't know.
I'm gonna bet 50 feet. One setting, no stopping. 50 feet. Hyper, stop drinking that yucky water. That's all you've been talking. Look at that. So that's how the Category 5 earthquake is caused. They're caused by this big old balloon. Look, if you look underwater right now, it's clear black. No. Money and I love it. Yeah. Ready, Mom? I'm gonna dive in.
Yeah, and you're swimming in that scary water.
It feels like right now.
Yeah, and you're swimming in that scary water.
I know. Okay, no. Hey, I love it. Hey, pick her up and pick her up. Ready, Mom? I'm gonna dive head first into the water. No, it's going back. Gosh darn you, big galoo. Look at this. Oh! Mom, it pulls you out.
Yeah, because you have a cross current going that way.
Oh, look at them run. Piper! I don't love it. Oh my god. I'm gonna dive head first, especially. Come on, bye! Oh. Molly's just jogging away. Honey. And the water. No, and the water. And the water. And the water. And the water. Oh. Swim, Molly. Look, Mom, she's trying to swim. Swim. Swim.
Come on, Marley.
Mom, that's so funny when she does this midair. She tries to swim.
Piper gets worried about her and wants to go out with her.
We need to teach her.
You guys gotta teach them to swim out to you.
Look
at how far Marley is. Oh, yay! Good girl, Marley.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
Swim out.
Good girl.
She learned to do that already. Good girl, Marley. We need to see if Piper will do the same thing. Like, make Piper go over there and I'm gonna run, see if he can catch me. Like, I'm gonna run really far. Go, run. Piper! Piper! Come and get me! Like, run towards that way. Go, run! Piper, go get him! Go get him! Look at that. Oh my god, she caught up. Oh my god.
I think she likes running full speed.
Piper, come and get it! Oh my god. Oh, she's tired. Look at her. She's galloping like a horse. You can whip your horse. Piper's the new star of Old Town Road. No. Oh, she already knows.
Wait a minute. She.
Oh. Come on, girl. Look at Marley.
Come on, Marley, get her.
I need to take her out farther.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
What's the matter, Pi?
Look at that big loop.